Hi, I'm Kamal Khera, Minister of Seniors. I'm back once again to make sure that you have all the information you need to get the most out of this tax season. Did you know that if you did home renovations in 2022, you could be eligible for tax credits that could save you thousands? Many seniors and persons with disabilities can face challenges when it comes to gaining access to their homes and being functional within them. We know that making changes to improve the safety and functionality of a home can be extremely costly. That's why we introduced the Home Accessibility Tax Credit, which helps offset the cost of these renovations. Eligible individuals could receive a tax credit of up to $3,000. But that's not all. This year, we also have the brand new multi-generational home tax credit. For instance, if you added a secondary suite to accommodate an older family member who has moved in, you could be eligible to claim a tax credit of up to $7,500. You can visit the CRA website for more information on these and other benefits and credits. Make sure to stay tuned as I have lots more information on other tax credits which you could be eligible for this tax season.